Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration. Spring is in the air, and that means it's time to refresh our homes with the beauty of the season. And what better way to celebrate Easter than with a breathtaking coffee table centerpiece that captures the joy, renewal, and elegance of this time of year? Whether you're hosting an Easter brunch, enjoying a quiet moment with a cup of coffee, or simply want to add a seasonal touch to your living space, a well-designed coffee table display can make all the difference. Today, I'm sharing 5 stunning Easter coffee table centerpiece ideas that will transform your space into a charming, festive haven. So grab your favorite springtime drink, get cozy, and let's dive into these gorgeous styling ideas. The classic Easter elegance. If you adore timeless beauty, this one's for you. Start with a soft linen runner or a delicate lace doily as your base. Add a simple yet refined floral arrangement using white tulips, pastel roses, or even soft hydrangeas in a vintage-style vase or ceramic pitcher. For an extra touch of Easter charm, incorporate decorative eggs, painted in soft pastels or metallic finishes for a sophisticated touch. A couple of white or cream-colored candles in elegant candle holders will complete the look, casting a warm and inviting glow. This setup exudes effortless sophistication and is perfect for those who prefer a classic, refined aesthetic. The whimsical woodland Easter. For those who love a bit of rustic charm with an enchanting twist, consider a woodland-inspired centerpiece. Use a natural wooden tray as your base and layer it with moss, mini nests filled with speckled eggs, and a few ceramic bunnies to bring in that Easter magic. Add in some delicate fairy lights to create a soft, glowing effect, and place small potted plants like baby's breath or lavender for a natural, fresh touch. The mix of earthy textures and whimsical elements creates a storybook-like Easter wonderland that feels both cozy and magical. The chic minimalist Easter. Less is more, and this idea proves it. If you appreciate a clean, modern aesthetic, opt for a sleek and simple Easter centerpiece. Start with a neutral tone tray, white, beige, or even marble works beautifully. Place a sculptural vase with a few branches of budding cherry blossoms or eucalyptus for a touch of nature. Instead of filling the table with multiple decorative items, keep it minimal with a small stack of books tied with twine, a few hand-painted eggs in muted tones, and a single candle in a glass hurricane holder. The key here is to embrace negative space, allowing each carefully chosen element to shine. Which of these centerpiece ideas is your favorite so far? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't already, take a moment to subscribe to the channel. It really helps support my work and brings you even more home decor inspiration. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying these Easter styling ideas. The vibrant Easter garden. If you love color and lively decor, this Easter garden-themed centerpiece is a perfect choice. Use a bright floral table runner as your foundation, then arrange a mix of fresh spring flowers like daffodils, tulips, and hyacinths in a large, colorful vase. Surround it with ceramic or glass bunnies, vibrant Easter eggs, and maybe even a few decorative carrots for a fun touch. To add dimension, use different heights. Think a taller vase in the center, smaller votive candles scattered around, and a mini basket filled with candy eggs for a sweet, inviting look. This is a cheerful and energetic display that instantly brightens up any space. The vintage Easter charm. For those who love a touch of nostalgia, a vintage-inspired Easter centerpiece is a dream come true. Use an antique-style tray as your base and layer it with delicate elements like a porcelain teapot filled with fresh flowers, a stack of vintage books, and a lace doily for an old-world feel. Add in some hand-painted eggs with floral motifs, a charming ceramic bunny, and maybe even a small framed Easter greeting card for an extra sentimental touch. This style brings warmth, history, and personality to your coffee table, making it feel like a curated treasure of Easter memories. And there you have it, 5 absolutely stunning Easter coffee table centerpiece ideas that bring seasonal beauty into your home. Whether you prefer classic elegance, rustic whimsy, modern minimalism, vibrant spring colors, or vintage charm, there's a perfect Easter setup for everyone. The beauty of these ideas is that you can mix and match elements to create a look that reflects your personal style. So go ahead, get creative, and make your coffee table a true Easter masterpiece. If you love these ideas, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment sharing your favorite look, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Wishing you a joyful, beautiful, and stylish Easter season. See you in the next video.